Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of the hassle of mopping up messes on your hard floors, especially with kids, pets, or allergies in the mix, stick around. Today we are spotlighting the DYSON WashG1 floor cleaner. DYSON's innovative take on hard floor cleaning that is designed to handle wet and dry spills effortlessly, all while keeping things hygienic and simple. Whether you are here on YouTube for deep dive or shopping on Amazon for your next home upgrade, this overview covers the full specifications, design, features, and everything else you need to know to decide if it is right for you. Let's go into it. Starting with the design, DYSON WashG1 is a sleek, upright, cordless cleaner that is built for ease and durability. It stands at about 1140 mm tall, 300 mm wide, and 325 mm deep, making it compact enough to store without taking over your space. At just 4.9 kg, it is lightweight, gliding smoothly around furniture and into tight spots due to its self-propelled system and telescopic tube for adjustable heights. The matte black and ultra blue color scheme gives it a modern premium look that fits any home aesthetic, though keep in mind it is primarily available in this striking black and blue variant with an IP rating not specified, but it is engineered tough for everyday use on hard floors like tiles, vinyl, laminate, and sail wood. No carpet here, folks. What makes the G-Wash stand out are its game-changing features. This isn't your average mop. It is a wet and dry cleaner that uses just clean water to tackle everything from fine dust and pet hair to sticky spills, muddy and dried on stains like syrup or toothpaste. The double counter rotating microfiber rollers are the stars. They pick up dirt first, then get evenly coated with clean water after every spill for a smear fresh finish. Secondary brush bars with nylon bristles handle larger debris, keeping the rollers clear. It separates wet and dry waste into dedicated containers, a 1 liter clean water tank and 0.8 liter dirty water tank, so emptying is hygienic and hands-free. No murky mixing. Plus the self-cleaning cycle flushes the system in about 140 seconds while docked, preventing build-ups and odors. Choose from 3 hydration modes: low for light messes, medium for everyday spills, and max for tough stains to customize your clean. It covers up to 205 square meters, over 3,000 square feet on a single charge. For allergy sufferers, it is a dream. The washable filter and filter-free hygienic design, no bacteria or odors, trap allergens effectively, making it ideal for sensitive households. Diving into the specifications, the WashG1 is powered by a lithium-ion battery with a 35 minutes run time on low, plenty for most homes, and it recharges in about 4 hours via the included docking station. No power cord to trip over, just cordless freedom. It has a full reservoir indicator to let you know when to refill or empty, and assembly is straightforward right out of the box. Connectivity, it is a straightforward, no smart app here, but the LCD screen provides clear instructions and mode selection. Other handy bits include rotating brushes for agitation, a removable debris tray for dry waste, and 6-point edge cleaning to hit corners and baseboards without missing a spot. In the box, you will get the G-Wash cleaner itself, the docking station with charger, and a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for peace of mind. But it is all self-contained, no extra needed to get started. This product is perfect for busy families with kids and pets who deal with constant messes, allergy sufferers looking for a hygienic alternative to traditional mopping, or anyone with hard floors who wants a one-pass solution that saves time and effort. If you hate lugging buckets or dealing with dirty mop water, the WashG1 upgrades your routine to something effortless and effective. So if you have carpets or uneven floors, pair it with a separate vacuum for best result. Ready to dish the mop for good. This product deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.